Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure your account and subscription are active and you have login credentials ready. Once done, open VPN Super Unlimited and allow the required permissions so the app can manage connections. This prevents service interruptions. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular link because an unstable network will break tunnels. Next, tap the sign-in button and enter your username and password. If you use a token, paste it now to proceed to server selection. Once authenticated, you configure the connection. Select a server based on your goal, choose nearest for lower latency, or pick a specific country to access region-locked content. Then choose a protocol. UDP typically gives better speed, while TCP offers stability, so set automatic if unsure. Make sure to enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so your real IP never leaks if the VPN drops. After adjusting these, save settings and proceed to connect using the main Connect button. You now tap Connect and watch for the connected status. This can take a few seconds, so be patient. Once connected, verify your new IP and DNS with a quick IP check. This confirms the tunnel is working and your traffic is protected. If things go wrong, switch the protocol, pick a different server, or restart the app. These steps often fix handshake or routing issues. Finally, make sure background operation is allowed so the VPN stays active while you use other apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.